We are discussing on curve tracing in parametric form. So trace of curve in parametric curve. Now, if possible, a parametric equation be transformed into Cartesian equation, then it will be easy to draw a curve. Suppose a parametric curve is given as x equal to a
Just clear the thing.
cos t. Wait, okay. Parametric form is of the a equal to a cos t and y equal to a sin t. If it possible to transform or reduce this curve into Cartesian form, then it will be easy to draw and easy to understand the nature of the curve. So we can write x by a equal to cos t and y by a equal to sin t. Then sin square t plus cos square t gives equal to 1. This gives x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That means this is a. This is a equation of a circle. Equation of a circle center at 0 0 and radius at radius with distance a. So it is very easy to understand that the nature of the curve. If x equal to a cos t and y equal to b cos t, b sin t, then it will be x square by square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That means it is an ellipse. It will be an ellipse. Now, if x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to also a sin cube t, then we follow the rules of a parametric form. First we have to find symmetry. Put t equal to minus t, then we get x equal to a cos to a cos cube minus of t, that is a cos cube t, that is x. This implies x is even, and for what y, sin cube minus t, that will be minus a sin cube t, so that is minus y. So y is odd. That means and the curve is symmetrical about what axis? Symmetrical about
Axis.
what axis? X axis. X axis. Now, if a curve is in symmetrical is a trigonometric function, there is a trigonometric function, then for symmetry we also have to check putting t equal to pi by t for trigonometric function. trigonometric function. Put t equal to pi by t. If x is unchanged, then x is even, y is unchanged, then y is even, like that. So first put t equal to pi by t, then x will be a cos cube pi by t, and cos pi by t here minus, so that will be minus a cos qt, so that is x. In that case x is odd, and y equal to a sin q pi by t, and second quadrant sign positive, so this is a sin q t, so y is even. In that case we say that the curve is symmetrical about x-axis. So the curve is symmetrical about both x-axis and y-axis. The second point is find to origin. First put just take x equal to 0. So a cos cube t is equal to 0. That means cos cube t equal to 0, and t equal to cos pi by 2. T equal to pi by 2. At t equal to pi by 2, what is the value of y? If y equal to 0, that means the curve pass through the origin 0, 0. If y not equal to 0, that means the curve does not pass through the origin. Now y value is a sin cube t. So a sin cube pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 value 1. So y equal to a. So y not equal to 0, that means the curve does not pass through the origin. Now we have to make a table. To take first find dy by dx. So this will be dy by dt and dx by dt. So dy by dt, that is a 3 sin square t and sin t derivative cos t by a 3 cos square t minus of sin t, that is minus of cos t 3 minus of tan t. So dy by dx is equal to minus of tan t. Now make a table. T, x, y and dy by dx. 0, pi by 2, let's take pi and take pi then 3 pi by 2. Now at the point, what is the curve? X equal to, curve is x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to a sin cube t. At the point t equal to 0, x value, say x value
A.
A.
x value a, okay, y value
0.
0.
0, and dy by dx, that is tangent, dy dx means tangent,
0.
0,
0.
sir.
slope of a tangent, slope of a tangent, 0. Okay, pi by 2
0.
here,
0.
0, then y value
A.
A.
a,
A.
and dy by dx
Infinity. Undefined.
Infinite.
Minus
undefined.
infinity.
Sir,
Ah,
so we are making a table when we have the form of trigonometric functions in parametric form. What if we don't have trigonometric functions in a parametric form? How will you make a table then?
parametric function don't have trigon, then there will be another variable. If x is phi t, there will table another variable t. So with respect the value of t, we have to find x and y.
So for that
Okay.
t, for example, because we had trigonometric function, then we know that we have a specific set of
Hmm.
intervals. We can take
Hmm.
values like 0, pi by 2 pi, and like that.
Hmm.
If we have a
Hmm.
random function, for example, we have x equal to something of quadratic in t, and y
Hmm.
equals to also something in cubic or quadratic in t. Then we cannot decide the values of t. What intervals do
Uh,
we want to take, or we
so
can simply
that
take 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3.
for that case, you have find first we have to the range of the t. First, you have to find the range of the t,
Range of the
and
quadratic
then
function.
right.
So,
Okay.
so if we find the range, then we can मतलब
Put
हम
the
अपने
value
मन
of
से फिर
t.
उसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से
हाँ
कि
हाँ
हम चार
हाँ
पांच
हाँ.
इंटरवल्स ले लें उसी रेंज में. ओके सर,
Just
ठीक है.
okay. Okay. Now at the point pi, x will be
Minus A, sir.
minus a, and y value
0, sir.
0.
0, and dy by dx, that will be also
0.
0. That is 0 means that is the tangent is parallel to x axis. Undefined or infinity means the tangent is uh, parallel to y axis. Y axis. Also 0, that means parallel to x axis. Now you find you can put this value, no problems. Also now draw the curve. X axis, y axis. The curve first is the curve is uh, the curve is symmetric about x axis and y axis, and the curve does not pass through the origin. Okay. Now there is a point at a comma 0. At a comma 0, the tangent is parallel to x axis, and the point 0 0 comma a, 0 comma a, the tangent is parallel to y axis, and the point minus a comma 0, the tangent is parallel to x axis. Now first we find the, that is a comma 0, and this is 0 comma a, and this is minus a comma 0. Now at a comma 0, the tangent is parallel to what? X-axis.
X-axis.
That means like that. Okay. At 0 comma a, at that point tangent is parallel to y-axis. So that means there is a curve like that. Okay, and also here. At minus a comma 0, tangent is parallel to also x-axis. Now if we join this curve, okay, the curve will like that, and first you draw the first quadrant, then you can say that this is symmetric about y-axis, so this curve will be like that, and this is also symmetric about x-axis also, so there will be point 0 comma minus a, and the curve will be like that. So this is our curve. The curve is a cos qt plus y equal to a sin qt. Okay. ठीक है. इसके बाद है पोलर फॉर्म. ठीक है. हाँ बोलो.
So for the point of 0 comma a to a comma 0, how do we know the curve is concave down?
Oh, there is another rules. dy by dx is greater than 0 or less than 0. d2y by dx2.
Concavity rules, right? So we can do that and check if. Okay, sir.
हाँ, you can check it for. तुम्हारा तो सिलेबस में थोड़ा सिंपल कर्व है. हाँ,
था ये सिलेबस में, जेई में था.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. वो dy by dx भी देखना है, d2y by dx भी देखना है, क्या है उसमें.
अगर उसके बिना करेंगे तो फिर ये तो कैसे
हाँ, हो
बताएंगे?
जाएगा. ये अभी तुम्हारा सिलेबस में कोई कुछ नॉन फंक्शन है. हाँ, बाकी इतना जरूरत नहीं है.
ओके सर.
हाँ,
ओके सर.
ठीक है. मैं कल वो पोलर फॉर्म 1-2 एग्जाम्पल हाँ बताऊंगा. आज यहीं तक. ठीक है. तो पोलर का वो आएगा. अच्छा, पोलर का फिर जनरल रूल्स हैं थोड़ा, फिर 1-2 एग्जाम्पल पोलर फॉर्म में. ठीक है. तुम्हारा फर्स्ट MCQ कब है?
14 तारीख.
13 से ना?
हाँ 13 से.
13 से. ठीक है. उसके पहले MCQ 1 तुम्हारा जो यूनिट 1 में जो सिलेबस है वही MCQ 1 में रहेगा. उसके पहले यूनिट 2 भी.
सर कितना MCQ रहेगा सर?
तुम्हारा तो दिख रहा है 2 है ना?
नहीं सर, मतलब क्वेश्चन कितना रहेगा फर्स्ट MCQ में?
अगर 10 मार्क्स है तो 10 क्वेश्चन रहेगा, और 15 मार्क्स है तो 15 क्वेश्चन रहेगा.
ओके सर.
ठीक है.
सर माइनस 1,0 के आगे भी एक्सटेंड करेगा?
हाँ, 1 by 1. हाँ बोलो.
सर ये कर्व माइनस 1,0 या 1,0 के से आगे भी एक्सटेंड करेगा क्या एक्स एक्सिस पे? एक्स और
एक्सटेंड हाँ, एक्सटेंड तो कर सकता है. ठीक है वैल्यू तो आगे भी ले सकते हैं ना. ठीक है वैल्यू.
ओके सर.
और नो ठीक है वैल्यू लिख सकते हैं. बट मॉड एक्स. हाँ
the trigonometric function range is -1 to 1.
No, no, no. No. Mod x less than a and mod y also less than a. So आगे नहीं जाएगा, इधर ही खत्म होगा. ठीक है, बस यही तक, ए तक. ये ए mod a for mod a और for mod b also a. बस आगे नहीं, जस्ट ऐसा का. आगे नहीं जाएगा, बस ठीक है. अपना अटेंडेंस आज का डाल दो. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.